How to join Crystal League in Clash of Clans. So if you want to join Crystal Leagues in Clash of Clans, then just follow the steps. When you join Crystal League, you get 250 free gems in Clash of Clans. So as you can see that on the screen right now, you can join the Crystal League by getting 20,000 trophies or more. I mean, this is pretty basic knowledge, but a lot of people still don't know that you can gain trophies by attacking. So when you attack, you can see over on the left how much trophies you get. If you win, you get a certain amount of trophies, while you lose trophies if you lose the game. You just need to rank up enough trophies for you to get to the Crystal League, and then you get 250 gems and also get more free gems. If you join Master at 2600 or Champion at 3200 trophies, just earn trophies by attacking and you can get into the Crystal League. That's how you can join Crystal League in Clash of Clans. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.